In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a chat flow in HubSpot step by step. If you want to add live chat to your website, connect with visitors in real time, and improve your customer support or lead generation, this is the complete beginner-friendly guide for you. I'll walk you through everything from accessing the Chatflow tool to customizing the design and publishing it live. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the main navigation menu and click on Home. This will take you to your main HubSpot overview area. From here, look at the top navigation bar and click on Service. In the drop-down menu under Service, select Chatflows. This is where you can manage all your existing chat flows and create new ones. Once you're on the Chatflows page, you'll see a list of any chat flows you already have set up. To create a new one, click on the Create Chatflow button. HubSpot will now ask you what type of chat flow you want to create. Depending on your subscription and setup, you may see options like live chat, bot, or other messaging tools. Choose the option that best fits your goal for this chat flow. After selecting your preferred chat flow type, click on Set Up Chat. This will take you into the customization area where you can configure how your chat widget will look and behave on your website. Next, you'll need to choose what type of chat you would like to connect. For example, you can connect it to a live chat inbox so that your team can respond to visitors in real time. Select the appropriate inbox or connection based on how your team handles conversations. This ensures that when someone sends a message through your website, it goes directly to the right place. Now it's time to customize the appearance of your chat widget. First, choose the color that matches your brand. HubSpot allows you to select a primary color, so your chat widget blends seamlessly with your website design. Pick a color that aligns with your branding and provides good visibility for users. After selecting the color, you can also choose the font. This helps maintain a consistent look and feel across your website. Select the font style that best matches your website's typography. Small design details like this can make your chat experience feel more professional and cohesive. Once you're happy with the design settings, click on Next. This will move you forward in the setup process. Take a moment to review your settings and ensure everything looks the way you want. You can typically preview how the chat widget will appear to visitors, which is a great way to double-check your customization choices. When everything is configured and you're satisfied with your setup, click on Publish. This is the final and most important step. Publishing your chat flow makes it live on your connected website. From this point on, visitors will be able to see the chat widget and start conversations with your team. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a chat flow in HubSpot. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where to click and how to configure the settings. Chat flows are a powerful way to engage website visitors, answer questions quickly, and capture more leads for your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.